Lenny Breau was a genius. If you clicked on this video, you likely already know. I quickly show you how it's not impossible to create the illusion of two guitarists, one improvising and one playing chords. That's the genius style of Lenny Breau. Hi, Smale here. If you want to be able to comp for yourself while you solo or play melodies, this video is for you. In this clip, I start off explaining how Lenny pared down his chords with two, sometimes just one finger, to free up remaining fingers to play lines and chords. To get inside Lenny's mind, we have to first look at how he simplified chords to their essential elements. That usually means shell voicings to most guitarists. But Lenny went even further than that. A shell voicing consists of 3 notes. That means most of the shapes require 3 fingers. A shell voicing typically consists of the root, a 7th, and a 3rd. If you're on your phone or desktop, you can watch the video up in the right corner if you're not super familiar but want to dive in deeper into shell chords. I'll also leave the link to the PDF lesson that goes along with that video below. It's really helpful and in-depth. What we really need to concentrate on is the 3rd and the 7th to start. Let's take the root out. This frees up more fingers to play a line, whether it be an improvised line or a melody of a song. That's the first part of his genius right there. Let's use F as our example to show you how powerful these 2 notes are for any chord. That's 8 chord types that we can very easily define with just 2 notes for each one. If the chord has a major 3rd, so that includes majors 7th, 7, and 6. An A flat, if it's a minor type of chord or has a minor 3rd in it, so that's minor major 7, minor 6, minor 7, minor 7 flat 5, and even diminished 7, or actually, yeah, diminished 7. That's 2 main categories of chords with a major 3rd and the rest with a minor 3rd. And then you change the 7th or the 6th with some kind of combination with the 3rd.
Oh, son of a gun.
I know it seems like we're talking about 2-note chords and not a lot about sounding like 2 guitars, but trust me, that's what we're working towards. And it's these 2-note chords that begin to open up a whole new world, because you are now freeing up more fingers to do the second guitar part. I'm going to play a blues in F, and I'm going to play 2-note chords while I'm improvising a line. I hope your imagination can begin to see how far you can take it. You can hold or sustain a chord and play a line on top too. can concentrate on the line and place a chord in empty spots between the notes of your lines. You can play the chord the same rhythm as the line to give you a block chord sound, kind of like what Bill Evans or other piano players have done in the past. Welcome to my second channel. Here will be a collection of the best, most watched moments handpicked just for you from my main channel, Jazz Rocks with Adam. Subscribe to this channel if smaller bite-sized learning is more your speed, but you're likely not a fan of YouTube Shorts. There's a great PDF lesson that teaches you all the techniques mentioned in the video. The link is below. If this clip has piqued your interest and you always wanted to crack the nut on Lenny Breau's genius use of his famous harmonics, watch this video. Click or tap this video and I'll meet you there, and I'll spill all the secrets I know. And if you want to watch the whole video that this clip is from, that's over here.